Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hisense air conditioner keeps displaying an E5 error code, it usually indicates that something isn't working properly within the system, often related to water drainage, sensor issues, or internal protection mechanisms. This can cause the unit to stop cooling or shut down unexpectedly, which can be frustrating, especially during hot weather. The E5 code may look technical, but in most cases, it points to a condition that you can resolve with a few simple checks. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the Hisense E5 error and restore proper cooling performance. Try these. 1. Turn off the AC and check if the internal water tank is full and needs draining. 2. Unplug the unit and wait a few minutes to reset the system. 3. Clean the air filter to ensure proper airflow. 4. Check the drain hose and ensure it is not blocked or kinked. 5. Plug the unit back in and turn it on to see if the error clears. 6. Place the AC on a level surface to prevent drainage issues.